What's up guys? My name is Kent and today magre-react tayo dahil naglabas na naman ang Four of Spades ng bagong music video, bagong music. Pagka-check ko dalawa eh. Tapos wala, I'm so excited lang kung ano yung mga magiging tema, solo. So without further ado, let's check. The first one, it's called Tangerine Boulevard. Acoustic ah. Ganda naman sa UP siguro to.
Don't you hold your tears inside. Tell me all your fears, it's fine. Love of mine, let your mending heart decide and give up what's left behind. Pain of mine, picture all the things you've done. Quite a run. There is hope in the city when you're always here with me, glowing, Tangerine Boulevard. One day, nothing will break you, baby. No one can hurt you. Here on Tangerine Boulevard.
Timeless. Grabe talaga yung Eagles guys. Love song siya eh, no? Para siyang song for someone na you really care can be a friend. Pero I think it's perfect for love, to a lover na merong worries. I almost got teary eh. Grabe. I'm looking here the lyrics na poetry. Now reading this, parang tula lang siya eh. Kapag nakakarinig ako ng mga gantong theme na kanta na about yearning, love always comes to that one girl. Wala naman nanonood na ito eh. Ganito na. Panganay siya. Siyempre, pag panganay, everything is lahat nakasalalay sa balikat. Ang ganun naman yung parang yung role ng panganay na kaka-graduate lang namin parehas, and just like me when I was paranoid, I had a hard time before job, pero siya rin ganun, and yeah, it was hard. I'll probably sing this song to her if ever man, because it's perfect. Panganay kasi yun parang lang, di ba? Dapat marapang ka, dapat in-endure mo, smart through pain, pero we're only humans, no? And this song is very perfect to that girl that I really admire. Kanina sa video, I was holding a sunglasses, no? It was special because binigay niya sa akin yun. I've kept it here sa akin dito sa altar ko na lagi kong makikita. So, I'll never forget that girl. Cringe. Pero yun, I really love it. I thought it was acoustic. Ganda din siguro na kung may acoustic version yun, no? I almost teared up. Joke lang, muntik na akong maluha-luha, no? And ang ganda niya, grabe. I'll probably listen to this couple of times, no? Sobrang ganda niya, guys. That would be all for my reaction. Grabe na talaga ako, natouch ako. I was speechless, hindi ko alam ang sasabihin ko. No, when I'm reading the lyrics sa music video, no, siya lang yung naiisip ko, siya lang. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. Sana ialay nyo din to sa mga mahal sa buhay na lumalaban ng patas. Pero we all know na mahirap ang buhay. So don't you hold your tears inside. Tell me all your fears, it's fine. Love of mine, let your mending heart desire, and give up what's left behind. Thank you guys. Yun lang. And see you sa next reaction video ng EBOS. Let's go.